Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming accounts and permissions so the stream will actually work. Sign in to the Meet host account and your YouTube channel. Make sure YouTube is verified and live streaming is enabled. Once done, enable Meet's live stream option in admin or event settings so the host can start broadcasting. Make sure the organizer has permission to stream from Meet to YouTube. Without that, the link won't appear. These steps prevent access errors later and save time during the event setup. You now configure the actual stream inside the meeting. Start or schedule the Meet and Open host controls. Once there, choose Add Live Stream and pick your YouTube channel. You'll enter a clear title, description, and privacy level, public, unlisted, or private, because that determines audience access. Make sure you select the correct channel if you manage multiple ones. Once you confirm, Meet generates a stream key and link behind the scenes so YouTube will accept the incoming video. This step, you're at the finish line. Begin streaming from Meet and then confirm the live feed in YouTube Studio. Click Start Streaming in Meet, then verify YouTube shows the incoming stream. Use Studio to monitor health, bitrate, and latency so you can adjust quality or switch to lower resolution if needed. If the video doesn't appear, make sure permissions and channel selection were correct. Check your network bandwidth and reload the browser or reauthorize streaming. Often the fix is a permission toggle or a quick reconnection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.